This is how my week has went so far. I'm being towed. Look at me. Oh, this shit sucks. That's fine. Okay. Well, here we are again. It's been about a month since I've put a video out. Same old excuses before. Been real busy and all that, but give y'all a little sneak peek of what's to come here real soon. I'm working on that one right now, but I'm gonna just throw out something where I think it's the last time that I rode the Blaster. Just a few little clips of riding it and everything, and that's really about it. Just gonna kind of throw this out there for right now. So hopefully here in the next 2 or 3 days, hopefully I can have it might be a little bit longer than that, probably about a week, and I'll have this video coming out of the X2 and everything. So thanks for sticking with me this long. Sorry for the delay between all the videos. Just been hectic lately and all that, so it is what it is. This isn't my full-time job, so I can't drop everything to make videos. So hope y'all enjoy it, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Alright, we're back out here on the Blaster. It's been a while. It's been so long that the battery was dead. Had to jump it off. That was a fun scenario, I assure you. I'm gonna try to ride around, let the battery charge up while the guys are over here getting ready to ride. So, see y'all. Hopefully this thing will charge back up. All right, when it comes to winterizing your skis, everybody's got their own opinions and what they use and how they do it and all that kind of fun stuff. I'm not really gonna break all that stuff down, exactly how to do it, unless y'all really want me to do that. I don't really see the point when you can pull up tons of videos of winterizing your ski, but I will kind of point out the things that I use and I think they're the best, that they're just really good, and I kind of give you the gist of what I do. But here we go, okay, so here are the 3 things that I use when I'm going to winterize the ski and all that, especially if you're sitting or leaving them outside. I don't always do the coolant stuff if I'm keeping the ski in like a temperature controlled area and all that. I don't really see the purpose of that, in my opinion. Could be completely wrong on that, but that's just kind of how I do it. I only put that on something that's going to stay where it gets below, 32 degrees or down real cold in that kind of vicinity. But the main things I like to do is pull the spark plugs. Well, first step, I'm gonna put some fuel stabilizer in here. This Stabil is probably the best stuff to use. I put that in there, crank it up, let it run for a few minutes, make sure it kind of gets all through the system and everything in the carbs and all that. Then I'll let the ski cool down. If I'm using this, I will be doing this shortly after I put that in there. So this kind of the process of getting it all in there, but kind of what I do. And then after I let the engine kind of cool down and everything, I'll pull the spark plugs. I'll spray a good bit of this in there. Once I've done that, I usually put the spark plugs back in there, leave the plug wires off so there's no spark going to it, turn the engine over a few good times, pull the spark plugs out again, spray this in there one more good time, do the same process, turn the engine over a few more times, and that's pretty much all I do when it comes to winterizing my skis. So hopefully that helps y'all. Sorry for the big rant on that, but I definitely like this stuff and I just kind of want to let y'all know. I know I said it, but I'm gonna say it again. Don't forget to use the coupon code Chris2022 to get 10% off on Capri tools. I don't want to drown y'all with this, but definitely love the tools. Neat little things about them. Even with this torque wrench, just look at how easy this is right here. I'm just gonna stick this in there, drop it in there. Just watch how easy this is. Just pull down and you can do your adjustments. I mean, just that simple is how you can adjust these. That's pretty neat, whereas like my old one, you gotta like screw the little thing down, lock it in. I mean, you can literally do this with one hand adjusting this. So check them out. Don't forget to get that discount. Christmas is here soon, and get some of that savings.